Today we're going to go over creating a new console profile in Taleo Connect Client. So the first thing we'll want to do is fire up Taleo Connect Client, and I'm going to call it SmartOrg 13C, and this is going to be going into the stage big lots. So I'm going to select that particular endpoint. I'm going to click on Ping, and it will launch the program. Maximize my window here. I'm going to go to File, New Profile Wizard. I am going to have it create a new selection based on the endpoint, so I'm going to go ahead and select the stage big lots. I'm going to click on Next, and I'm going to leave this information as the default. I'm going to click on Finish, and it goes ahead and pulls up all the records that have been run against that particular zone. By clicking on any of the records, you will get a document content, some document information, and the messaging information. In time, right now we can see nicely here everything in one window, but over time these lists do get to be kind of extensive. You can go to the preferences, and under the console message list, this gives you your paging size. So currently the default is set to 20. I would usually recommend setting that up to 200 to give you a good overview of what's been going on with the system. So you'd simply say OK, and that change will come into effect the next time you launch the Taleo Connect client and go into it. So I'm just going to go ahead and save. You can see I already have some here, so I'm just going to overwrite one I've got, and it will go ahead and save it. And that way, all I have to do to launch this is next time I open up Taleo Connect Client, I'm going to go ahead and log into the Big Lot Zone. And then under File, Open, Console Profile, the one we had just created, and there we go. That's all I have for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks.